Hello everybody! Today I continue record linking sounds. Rule number 4. What's your name? Can't you do it? Actually, don't you like it? Wouldn't you? Haven't you? No, not yet. I'll let you know. Can I get a word ring? We thought you weren't coming. I'll bet $10 you forgot. Is that your final answer? Natural, perpetual, virtual. Dissociate? Has you like it? Could you tell? Was your sense a check? Was a family thing? Did you find your keys? We found your instruction. Congratulations. Education. Individual. Graduation. Gradual. Yes, you are. Insurance. Ratio. Raise your hand together. Can you rest yourself? You can pass your exam this year. I'll try to get your rate. Let him get your car for you. How's the family? How was your trip? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? When's your birthday? She says you're okay. Who does your hair? Casual, visual, usual, version, vision.